Hey everyone, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have a plug-and-play throttle response controller for the Polaris Slingshot. Throttle response. When the opportunity presented itself to work side by side with Pedal Commander to integrate a Bluetooth-enabled plug-and-play throttle response controller for the Polaris Slingshot, we were both excited and a bit skeptical. We know that the Slingshot has inherently laggy throttle response. It's something that's bothered us since day one, but we've never tested the throttle response controller on any vehicle, so we weren't quite sure what to expect. The results are literally mind-blowing. This throttle response controller takes the fun of driving the Slingshot to an exponentially funner level by giving you push-button control over how fast you want the throttle to respond when the gas pedal is pressed. It brings the Slingshot alive and makes it an absolute beast out of the corners with instantaneous throttle response when you need it the most. Regardless of whether your Slingshot is in stock form or you're rocking a laundry list of power adders, every Slingshot owner will vastly benefit from this mod. In fact, we're pretty certain this will be one of your favorite mods. Now we're going to walk you through the installation process of the throttle controller, then go over the features of the control module as well as the Bluetooth functionality so you can also control your Slingshot throttle response controller from your smartphone. The installation could not be any easier. It simply intercepts the factory wiring harness going to your gas pedal assembly and is 100% plug and play. You'll find the gas pedal wiring harness located here on the 2015 and 16 models and here on the 2017 Plus models. You may need the assistance of a flathead screwdriver to remove the OE clip, disconnect the harness like so, then simply plug in the Pedal Commander harness to integrate the unit. Now that the wiring portion of the install is complete, it's time to mount up your control module in the location of your choice with the included industrial strength Velcro. Now, if you plan on driving in any wet conditions, we recommend a discreet location as the control module is not waterproof. But since we don't drive our Slingshot in the rain, we're gonna mount up our control module right here front and center so we can easily access and adjust the push button controls. Now the most important part of this install is to make sure that your wiring is tucked safely up and out of the way from the articulation of the pedals. Once you find your desired mounting location, you'll want to grab the included 3M VHB backing tape included with the controller and clean the service area prior to adhering the unit in place. Now that the installation is complete, let's go over how to use your new Pedal Commander. When you first turn on your ignition, the Pedal Commander is going to load up in city mode. You can then scroll through the modes by pressing the star on the Pedal Commander logo. You'll have 4 modes to choose from: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. The LED will illuminate, letting you know which mode you're in. Now you'll notice that the Eco mode does not illuminate when scrolling through the modes. That's because the Eco mode is for those of you looking for a throttle delay and is only intended to maximize MPG and should only be used in highway applications. To get to Eco mode, you'll have to hold down the star icon until Eco mode illuminates. Since the majority of people buying this unit are looking to enhance their pedal response, the Eco mode will most likely not be used. Once you find your desired mode, you have a plus and minus button shown here. Each mode allows you to adjust the throttle sensitivity in that mode with up to 8 different sensitivity settings. You can decrease throttle response in that mode with the minus button, and you'll see the LEDs below illuminate red as you decrease the sensitivity. If you'd like to increase the throttle response in that mode, you'll click the plus button and see the LEDs below illuminate green as you increase sensitivity. If the 8 settings in that driving mode do not fit your driving style, You can simply change modes until you find one that puts a smile on your face. The system also features a built-in memory setting, so when you turn the ignition back on for your next drive, the unit will load back to your last mode and sensitivity level used. You can turn off the pedal commander at any time, restoring its factory pedal response by simply pressing the star on the pedal commander logo. Now for those of you that are tech geeks like us, the pedal commander comes with a free app that allows you to pair your smartphone to your pedal commander for complete control of your Slingshot's pedal response right from your smartphone. It's pretty awesome and allows you to control all the same features that the physical module does. Now if you're looking to completely eliminate gas pedal lag on your Polaris Slingshot, or if you're just looking to restore that excitement between you and your machine, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com and grab a pedal commander today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.